everybody, welcome back to Bobby's Bicycle Repair. Today I'm going to be going over this bike to get it ready for restore. It's a 26-inch Mongoose. It's a friend of mine, so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get it restored. The first thing I usually do before I restore a bike is I go over the frame, because if there's any cracks or imperfections on the frame, there's no use of restoring it. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So go ahead and follow along and we'll get started. First thing I do is I look at the joints on the frame, see if there's any cracks, imperfections, any dents. So looks good up here. Let's go through all the joints. The joints in the back of the frame here. It's pretty good. See if there's any bends in the frame. Yeah, so far this one looks pretty good. This is an old bike, probably back in early 90s, not later. Okay, the joints look pretty good. So it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and restore it. So I'll get back with you in the second part, and then we'll go over the rest of the bike. Talk to you in a few. Have a good one. Bye-bye.